Unleashing your potential. Understanding with might and main. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard but not fully understood, with might and main. This phrase is a gem in the English language, showcasing the beauty and depth of expression English offers. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together and unravel the meaning and usage of with might and main. With might and main is an idiomatic expression that means using all of one's strength or force, with all one's effort. It's a phrase that combines two words, might and main, both of which suggest great strength or power. However, when they're used together, they emphasize the idea of putting forth maximum effort or exertion to achieve something. This phrase is somewhat archaic but still finds its place in modern English, especially in contexts that require a dramatic or emphatic tone. It's a call to action, urging someone to give their all, to not hold back. Understanding the origins of with might and main can help us appreciate its use even more. This phrase dates back to a time when language was heavily influenced by the need to convey strength and valor. Might has always referred to strength or power, while main, in this context, is an old word for force or strength as well. Originally, these terms were used in literature and speech to inspire courage and determination, often in the face of adversity. Over time, the phrase has retained its meaning but is used more broadly to imply giving one's best effort in any situation, not just in physical endeavors. Using with might and main in your speech or writing adds a layer of intensity and resolve. It's perfect for situations where you want to express the idea of giving everything you've got to overcome a challenge or accomplish a goal. Here are a few examples to guide you. She worked with might and main to finish the project before the deadline. The athletes competed with might and main, each striving for the gold medal. In the face of the storm, the crew fought with might and main to keep the ship afloat. Notice how the phrase elevates the sentence, providing a vivid picture of effort and determination. We hope this exploration of with might and main has enlightened and inspired you. This phrase is more than just a linguistic construct. It's a testament to the power of determination and effort. We encourage you to use it in your speech or writing to add depth and intensity to your messages. Thank you for joining us in today's lesson. Remember, language is not just about communication. It's about expression, and phrases like with might and main enrich that expression beautifully. See you in the next video, and until then, keep learning and exploring with all your might and main.